Hey guys, it's your girl Charlene, aka Apples, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be on Harper Rail. So yeah, my throat hurts. My sickness is not getting any day better. By the way, I've been like giving myself a lot of autographs, cause yeah, like oh by the way, I reached to level 11. I don't know if I recorded it, but yeah, I did. You see, like it's so annoying. Like my freaking Apples account keep doing that like. My Apple's account keeps like doing that. It just keeps being really annoying. And yeah. Oh, I almost just typed in my password. Holy crap. My password is so difficult and long, nobody could ever guess it. Sorry, I just opened up Snapchat. I'm also drinking a soda. My sister's in the background. By the way, if you do hear her, she's sick as well. We're all sick. It's a sick family. I don't understand. Like my level, like I'm such a high person. Like how come I only give out 260 fame? What the heck is this? Oh what? Let's see. See when Kaylee gives me an auto. Yeah. So I'm signed in. What? I only have. Oh, never mind. I thought I only had two people online. I was about to say what. Oh, by the way, I have a 4D now. If y'all can already guess, it is Katie Moss 2005. We actually became really close friends now. Um, and, you know, we're actually 20. We are slaying all the other O's. I actually really like my outfit. Yeah. Sorry. So I officially only have 6 days left of VIP, including today. So after tomorrow, that's only 5 more days. That's so sad. Cry. Let's see. Where's Harper L? Harper L's online. Harper. Oh, more people. So I have 10 people online. That's surprising. Let's see. Oh, actually, I have 12 now. Where the heck is Harper L? I can't find. Oh, there she is. Now I have 13 people. So it's been 2 minutes, right? Okay. Yes, as you can see, so I've been giving them like, and I'm on level 11, so I can have how many friends? Oh, I can have 1,580 friends because I'm VIP. Let's go to the mall and get some more friends. I really want some VIP friends. Also, I'm trying to make Apples a celeb again, so if you have VIP, feel free to definitely add me because I swear I always become a celeb and then I don't. So I'm kind of far away. Not that far away, actually. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to add a lot of VIP people. But also, if you don't have VIP, feel free to also add me because as you can see, I have 3 people to add for a good month, and then after that, it's done and over and done with. I'm going to the front because I'm cool like that. Wow, these people are really pretty. I actually am digging her outfit. I think there's only some people out there who really actually like dig outfits. Again, I cannot breathe. Let's see. And I need to make a lot of friends because I have like no friends. 123 XDK. I can't believe nobody else made that name yet. That's so funny. That's hilarious. Hilarious. This girl's cute. Oh, she was a VIP before. So sad. She was a VIP, but then her VIP ran out. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, he's VIP. Friend. I gotta blow my nose. God damn. Oh, you want to be my friend? Sure. The lag is so real, you guys. I keep lagging. What the heck? Chill. Oh, that's a cool name. Chill, bro. Chill for it. You guys, I'm a little cuckoo. She got a year VIP. But she has a year VIP. She's only on level 16. What? Try to click this girl. Oh, that is her. I'm stupid. I'm trying to click Ayana. I'm trying to click Lid. There you go. Oh wow, her outfit's very. I think her shoes should have been the white color. I don't know, it feels weird being a tomboy. And actually, I've never had a 4D before, so. Ooh, who's she giving greet to? Haha. I'm curious. Can you greet me, beautiful? No, beautiful. How should I text that one to be like, no, ugly? Just kidding. I want to save diamonds. Am I mean? I like 71 diamonds. Cry. Oh, I need to get this animation. I want it. I have it on Harperell. Oh no, I have the one standing up. Is she VIP? Yeah, she is. She has VIP lips. What? No way. She used to be VIP. Aw, congrats. She got her boo back, everybody. I feel alone. I don't know what to do on Harperell. Should we buy her a new outfit? Let's buy her a new outfit. I haven't spent any money. But we're gonna buy like 500 Star Coins items. I really like this outfit though. Let's see. Let's see what I have though, so I can find shoes for it. What do I really want though, you know? New year, new me. Everybody's saying that. These are VIP. Oh wait, actually, I'm VIP. This is a cute top. This is cute too. What color? I was thinking like a. Actually, I think gray matches it. I think a darker gray is cuter though. Actually, the red actually matches it, but I'm gonna make it pink. Just because. Why not? Sorry, my sister went out the room really quick. Let's see. We could wear. I think I already have white jeans. I don't know why I wanted to wear those white jeans. First, let's buy this, and then let's see what we have. 8,000 Star Coins. I need 87,000. Oh, only 5. Oh, I mean 39. Okay. Yeah. So I'm back. This was in the little thingy. It's like when I don't change the color, it gives it to me, but then when I do change the color, it it's so freaking weird. Anywho, we were still making that outfit, right? So Can't wear those. I was thinking just wearing these white pants. Ooh, da, da, da. Let's see, what shoes should we wear? You see, I want to wear white, but then, like, my pants are already white. But, like, you know, that just doesn't look good. Oh, unless I wear gray. Oh my god, this poor. Why? Why does it have to be white right there? Why? Why? Okay, hopefully this looks good. I don't know, it doesn't look good. But if I put, oh my god, I'm wearing nothing. Holy crap. If I change hairstyle. And I don't really have any hair accessories. Oh, and I wear hoops. Was I go? Nope. Ew. What am I doing? Ew. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know, cause like when I do animations, I think it looks cute after, but I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. It's like I like it, but then I don't. It's like a hate and love relationship. What do I do? Oh, I don't know. I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will be recording another video. So yeah.